Welcome techies to the YouTube video, and today is the first video of Power BI series. In today's video, we will be discussing about Power BI tool, what Power BI tool is, why it is used for, and many more. So let's get started with. So before we discuss about Power BI, if you have not downloaded Power BI yet on your PCs, then I will add the link in the description. First, go download the Power BI and then come back here and just watch the video. So let's get started. And the first thing that we are going to discuss today is what is Power BI. Now, Power BI is a powerful tool for business intelligence, for creating reports, for creating dashboards, for creating graphs and all. So this is what Power BI is. Power BI is compatible to create any visuals. Power BI can help you to share your projects also, and many more features are there. So we will be discussing it one by one. First, I told you what Power BI is. So you can easily download it. After downloading it, you will be able to see installation process on your screen. You just have to install it. So Power BI is a powerful tool, as I said, but it is a great way to represent your data, to communicate about your data visually. So you can plot the graphs, you can make the cards, you can make the maps, you can make tables. There are many more visual things that you can add it up. There are many options to add filters also onto your data, which makes your work easier. Another thing is we can create dashboard. Now, what is dashboard? Dashboard is something on which you are going to add, in which you are going to add multiple graphs, multiple cards, multiple maps on the single page, so that it will create a combined report which you can send to the clients, or which you can showcase to the wider audience, just to communicate anything about your data. In Power BI, there is an option to share and collab also. So if you are done with the project, or you are working on a project and you want other individuals or a group of a person to work on the same project, you can share the Power BI project with others also. So we will be discussing those things also in the series of Power BI. So first, we will be starting from importing the data, and we will be moving ahead to the advanced dashboard creation, where we will be dealing with DAX features and many more things, like writing the expression, or might be adding filters, or making the relationship between the two data, adding up the column, creating new column, filtering, data modeling, data cleaning. Each and every process we will be dealing over here. So this is just an introduction video to let you know that we are going ahead with the series of Power BI. So if you want to learn everything for free, you can just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever the video comes up, you will get the notification and you won't be missing out any video. So just hit the like button, hit the bell icon, subscribe to the video, and so before the next video, just download the Power BI tool, so that it would be easier for you to cope up with the videos as well. Thank you.